it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Friday, so you know what that means. It is time for another crafting for Disney. Now this one I'm super excited about because one of the things we had planned on was Nadia to be at Disney World for her 21st birthday. Well, with everything happening in the world right now, that did not happen. So we're gonna bring Disney to Nadia. So we're gonna create a Forky shirt, and y'all are gonna love it. So what you're gonna need for today's tutorial is you're gonna need your t-shirt. I'm using just a white Tooltex t-shirt. We're also using Deco Film Soft Metallic in matte black, blue, and red. So our weekly WOW sale for this week, which ends on Sunday, August the 15th at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time, is our Deco Film Soft Metallics are 50% off. That is a great deal. And when we make this, you will see why I absolutely love this material. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we will go over how to make. As you can see, I'm in Cricut Design Space. So the first thing we need to do is get our file. So I am using the Get Me Out of Here file, which is this one right here. And it's part of Toy Story 4. And it's in Disney files. Now, they are $1.99, but I do save money off of it because I am a Cricut Access member, but I do purchase each of these. And remember that if you are using Cricut files, you do have to, even if they are Disney, you have to know that these are for personal use only and not for resale. Okie dokie. So as you can see, it is now brought in here. So the first thing that I want to go ahead and do is I want to go ahead and ungroup this because I do want to make some changes. Hold on, let's select it all. We're gonna make you 10 inches. Perfect. So for some reason, I am still getting the text in the center, which is fine. So let's see if we can take and get rid of that. So let's go to shapes. Let's grab a circle. In Cricut Design Space, I don't know if y'all have noticed, but yes, I have definitely noticed. Let's grab a square because that will probably be easier. Oh, undo that. But let's grab a square, go over here to shapes. But yeah, Cricut Design Space has been acting up a little bit more, just in case you're wondering. I mean, as you can see, trying to open up a square is almost impossible, but you know. Okay, so let's make you 3.5. Let's try 3.7. Okay, that's good. Let's try 3.8 tall. Okay, let's make you a little bit bigger. Let's try 4, see if that's too big. Okay. So I think that's good. So now I'm going to choose the black layer and my box, and we're going to slice. There we go. And now I'm going to do the red and my box again, and we're going to slice. Now I can take and delete all of the pieces, and see, there's always a trick around. Like, even if it doesn't want to let you have the trick, it's okay because it's all part of it. There we go. So you can kind of see. make that fit. Okay, there we go. That's better. I like that. Now, let's go to text, and I'm going to type out my wording, which is just going to say, I'm trashed. Because, again, that's what Forky says. You know. Let's go ahead and center it. Now, I want something that's kind of bold, kind of not really kiddish, but, you know, I know what I'm kind of looking for. I kind of like this one. Let's see what you look like whenever I'm doing this. I don't love that. That's part of it, is you go through and you look and you're like, I don't know. I don't know if I love it. Let's try alphabet soup. Alphabet soup's kind of cute. See, I like alphabet soup a whole lot, but I don't know. Yeah, see how it doesn't really fill in the bubble? The bubble. Okay, so let's keep looking. But you can kind of see what I'm looking at. It's like, okay. Oh, let's look at Arab brushstroke. That one's kind of cool. Ooh, I like you. Okay. I don't know. I like you, but I don't know if you're my favorite. Okay, let's keep going. Don't really want a stencil font. Let's see. There's BFC Danger. Let's try that. Ooh, I like you. See how it kind of has that same feel, I guess. Okay, so let's change your color of the I'm trashed to the same color that's in there. Perfect. Is that how you spell trash? Now I gotta double check it. See what I'm saying? Like, whenever I'm designing, whenever I'm laying stuff out, I'm like, is that how you spell it? Even though I know, yes, that is how you spell trashed. I just have to double check. So, this portion and this portion, I definitely want to, what do I want to do? I like it just the way it is. Okay, so I'm going to select both of the black parts and I'm going to weld. There we go. Now she is ready to make it. So we're going to go ahead and click on Make It up here at the top. Now we are going to choose on matte because we are using the Deco Film Soft Metallics. Now I do want to go ahead and make sure we mirror everything. There we go. Click Continue. Perfect. May take a second because, you know, sometimes my Cricut likes me, other times it doesn't. Now we're going to go to Popular and we're going to choose Everyday Iron-On. Isn't that what it's called? Yeah, right there. And I do want to make sure I check that, remember the material settings, because we are cutting multiple things. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we will go over how to make this. On my heat press, and I also have my shirt laid out, collar off, sleeves off. So I'm going to line that up with the top of the heat press. Now I have already weeded the design. So as you can see, there's the Forky I'm trashed. So I'm going to fold it in half, sticky side facing out. There we go. I love that because it kind of looks like drunk writing. So there we go. that is laid out. Now, since we are using the Deco Film Soft Metallic, this heat press is preheated to 300 degrees. And we don't heat these for long because remember, Deco Film you heat for about 5 to 7 seconds. We're only gonna heat it though for about 5 because we have 2 other colors to put. So you have to wait for that to cool. But now we have our mouth and our eyebrows. Okay, I think we're good now. Now, one thing, if you pull on the Deco Film Soft Metallic before it's cool, you can break your vinyl. Because that's one of the things that I do love about the Deco Film Soft Metallic, why it's one of my favorites to work with, is because it is so soft, it like melts into your shirt and it's lovely, but that's also one of the downsides with it, and it's not really a downside to me, it's just knowing that, you know, I've got to wait for this to cool before I can deal with it. And Nadia loves white. I don't know why, but she loves white, so it's like, this is definitely perfect. So we're gonna heat now again for about 5 to 7 seconds. There we go. Okay, now these 2 little pieces don't take as long to cool, but you do have to be careful even whenever you're going over what has already been stuck. If this plastic is on it, you have to be careful and make sure it's cool, because if not, it will rip and it will break. Okay, so again, now it's all good and down. I always go back and do one final pressing for about 5 to 7 seconds. And she is done, and I absolutely love it. What do y'all think of this shirt? I think it's so cute, and you can kind of see what I mean about how this really melts into the shirt. You can't really even see like a texture. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget this Deco Film Soft Metallic sale ends on Sunday, August the 15th at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time of 2021. But I guess that's it, so we shall see y'all later. Bye.